Here are 5 ways to optimize cross-departmental collaboration in 2023. 1. Find the best workflows that work for everyone. By taking the time to outline and streamline workflows that work for everyone, you're setting your team up for success. Number 2, break down knowledge silos. Knowledge is scattered across various tools and systems between teams. An easy solution is to add GoLinks to your workspace. Number 3, align on company-wide goals. The more aligned your team is under a common goal, the more likely they are to succeed. Number 4, enable collaboration throughout onboarding. First, share how your company values collaboration. Second, have new hires shadow people on different teams. Number 5, encourage feedback and recognition. Try launching an open door feedback policy and create an easy recognition program. These 5 strategies optimize cross-departmental collaboration and empower your team to do their best work. Comment below other collaboration tips that you can think of.